The kids are coming.
Hey, I'm cold.
Yeah, it's in the middle of December.
Yeah. Oh, a branch. There's a branch there, you know.
And you're probably wondering why we're out in the woods. Because now we are psych models. Woohoo! And
Taking pictures.
yeah. And yeah. So yeah.
And we had to get some Christmas themed, winter themed ones, so we came in woods. Sorry.
This video might be crappy. It's kind of hard to walk and videotape at the same time.
Trying to find a tree house.
Yeah, there's an old tree house out here and we're trying to find it.
Ew, yellow snow.
Ew.
Crazy hunters.
Could be
Bring a
animals.
porta potty.
God. It could be animals too.
I think animals are porta potty.
I think hunting season's over with.
Well, hopefully it is. Because we're kind of in the woods.
Bam!
Oh, I died.
Did you know if you have fur on, they can shoot you? You have a tail.
Oh, I don't know my coat hat. That's fur. Now you scared me. Goodness, French. My shirt's not really cute. I didn't think about that.
My feet are soaking wet.
Mine aren't. It's red. Damn.
You want to
Okay, video. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na.
Oh!
It's like high in a tree.
It is the
Obviously it's in a tree.
woods. What if we got mauled by a bear?
There ain't no bears in Michigan.
There could be. Came over from
Outside.
Canada.
We're still probably good out here.
Wait, he shot me! Oh,
Kind of well. You know what? That would be hilarious if we got lost.
no!
I would laugh so hard.
How would we get lost into your woods?
I know, but we could go off into somebody else's trails and they say, you're just crossing, shoot us, and we die.
Oh, that'd be sad. This makes my arm tired.
Me too, that's why I gave it to you.
I'm trying to find it. Do you usually a tree house? No? Okay, sorry, I was trying to be Dora, but it didn't work out because I forgot what she does. Mr. Danik makes referrals to Dora and Diego every day.
Not in my hour.
Well, in my hour, he says he's always like, because it's right.
Sometimes, not all the time.
It's right after lunch, so he says he's always wanting to tell stories.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Earthy!
Evelyn! Evelyn! Sorry. It scared me. Hey! Sweet sister, sweet sister. Sweet sister, sister, sister. Whee!
Daddy!
Did we find it? Did we find it? Oh, I found it! Watch somebody
Go down the trail more. We might be closer.
Hey, don't run my asthma. I can't run in the cold because of my asthma.
Found it!
See this?
Found it! Look, there's mushrooms on the tree.
Ew.
Tripped over a twig there.
I'm so proud of myself. It took me 2 years to find it.
Ow.
I saw the light on top back way over there. I'm like, is that it? I'm like, maybe not. So I didn't say anything. But we found it! We found it!
Oh.
See, look over there.
Here's a little one.
Yeah, let's see how we can.
Ow!
I think here's supposed to. There's a chair, is there?
No, there's here.
I can reach.
Okay, well, we're gonna go and take pictures now, so peace.